Okay? And I don't mean that the opposition parties are bad. I just don't see any leader in the opposition party that is strong enough to take on the might of a BJP.
Like Parrikar,
exactly,
who emerged as a very strong leader.
So you see, when the Congress was at a high in 2012, when that election happened, if you looked at 10 and 11, 2 years prior to the election, Manohar Parrikar was able to inspire the people of Goa to fight the Congress.
Inspire, very
Right?
good point, Sarko.
Today, not a single leader in the Congress or the Goa Forward Party has that inspirational capabilities. And I'm saying it not because I support
Pan Goa, you mean to say.
Goa,
Exactly,
right?
exactly, good point.
So why am I saying that? Because for us as Goans, Goa has to grow, no? The political party will grow on its own merit and the political party can fall on its own merit as well. But for us, we want Goa to grow. So right now there is no opposition. The opposition is with the people.